The story of the punch card begins not with computers but with looms. In 1801, a French weaver named Joseph-Marie Jacquard invented a revolutionary device. It was called the Jacquard loom, and it changed the way we made fabric forever. Jacquard's invention used punch cards to control the patterns woven into cloth. Each card had holes punched in specific positions, representing different parts of the design. These cards were strung together and fed into the loom, which then read the holes. A hole allowed a needle to pass through, creating a specific thread pattern. Without a hole, the needle wouldn't pass through. This system allowed for incredibly complex designs to be woven automatically. Imagine the impact. Intricate tapestries and elaborate fabrics could now be produced much faster and with less error. Jacquard's punch card system was a stroke of genius, paving the way for programmable machines. It was a significant leap forward, laying the groundwork for the future of computing. Fast forward a few decades, and the concept of the punch card found its way into the world of computing. Charles Babbage, an English mathematician often called the father of the computer, was developing his analytical engine. This machine, although never fully built, was a groundbreaking concept. It was designed to be a general-purpose computing machine capable of solving complex calculations. Babbage's design incorporated punch cards inspired by Jacquard's loom. Babbage's collaborator, Ada Lovelace, understood the enormous potential of this system. She recognized that the punch cards could represent more than just numbers. Lovelace envisioned them encoding instructions and commands, essentially creating programs for the analytical engine. This insight made her the world's first computer programmer. Although the analytical engine remained uncompleted, Babbage and Lovelace's work laid the foundation for modern computing. Their ideas, fueled by the power of punch cards, planted the seeds for a future revolution in information technology. The 1880s saw the United States facing a significant challenge: the census. The population had grown so much that manually tabulating the data was becoming overwhelmingly complex and time-consuming. Enter Herman Hollerith, a young statistician who had an idea. He drew inspiration from none other than Jacquard's punch cards. Hollerith developed a system where data about each citizen age, gender, occupation was punched onto cards. These cards were then fed into his tabulating machine, which used electrical connections to process the information. The machine could quickly count and sort the data based on the punched holes, revolutionizing data processing. The 1890 census, thanks to Hollerith's invention, was completed in record time. It proved to be significantly more efficient and accurate than previous manual methods. Hollerith's success didn't stop there. He went on to found the Tabulating Machine Company, which later became International Business Machines, or IBM. As the 20th century dawned, the use of punch cards expanded beyond censuses. They found their way into businesses for accounting, inventory, and other data processing tasks. With the development of the first computers, punch cards took center stage. They became the primary means of inputting data and instructions. Each card could represent a line of code, and stacks of cards formed a program. These early machines read the patterns of holes on the cards and executed the programmed instructions. While seemingly simple, this system allowed for the automation of complex calculations and tasks. The era of punch cards was a time of incredible progress, but it was also marked by limitations. Punch cards were bulky and prone to errors. A single misplaced card could disrupt an entire program. Despite their limitations, punch cards played a crucial role in the development of modern computing. They helped pave the way for more sophisticated input methods and programming languages. From the intricate patterns on fabric to the complex calculations of early computers, the legacy of punch cards is undeniable.